Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Join me as we make this beautiful spiral turban, and this is our measurement. This is me here saying hello to my subscribers and everyone. Thank you for your love, thank you for liking the love and everything. I really appreciate you. All right, now so I've cut out my measurement for the spiral turban. This measurement I'm showing you is for our V shape, and it measures 19 by 13 in two places. Then the next measurement is for the body, which measures 13 and a half by 30 in two places. 13 and a half by 30 times 2. You can fold it. The next measurement is for our foam wrap, and it measures 39 by 26, and the 39 is on the stretchy side. Then this is our belt, which measures 13 by 3 in two places. So, and we have our foam cut out. I have only 4 of these. It measures 3 inches by 34. I have it in 4 places. It depends on how massive or how big you want it to be. You can cut 5 foams or 6 foam, but I only have 4, and I'll make do with what I have. So to start with our V shape, I'll be hemming one side of the fabric, then I'll pleat on it. We are all familiar with how we do our pleating. I've already done it, and I've done the other one. Now it's time for us to cross and get our V shape. We'll cross it like so. Here I'm trying to explain that we need to be very, very careful when we are doing our pleat, so that we won't carry the other side. We won't go and pleat it wrongly, because it has happened to me before, whereby I didn't check it properly when I was pleating, and it came out bad. But now I'm better. So we are going to join it in the middle, and before joining it, ensure that both ends are equal. That's what I'm checking here. I've already sewn it, and I'll cut out the excess. After cutting out the excess, we'll get our material for the body, which is on fold. We'll turn it to the wrong side, then we'll open it slightly. If you have been watching my video, you'll be very, very familiar with what I'm trying to explain here. We'll open it slightly and place our bands, the V band, inside like this. Then we'll close that one on it. If this is your first time of trying this out, do it and use your pin it down, so that it won't be moving from one place to the other while you are sewing. And ensure that your sewing stitches falls on that line. It shouldn't fall above. It has to fall a bit below or on top. If not, our thread will be showing by the time we are done. And this is me illustrating it, and I'm done. So I did not sew the two sides, and I was able to turn out from there. So now I've been able to trim out all the necessary excess, and I've closed our base. We're all familiar. You can use any base of your choice, round shape, and also attach our belt to it. You can watch this tutorial in one of my videos. I placed it on a mannequin head, and that is it. So this is where our work is. This is where the main work is. Then we take our foam like this, fold it, and use the fabric to cover it. We'll fold it just exactly what I'm doing in the video. Use the fabric to cover it and sew down. Please don't sew on the foam, just sew it down. You can hide the smaller pieces. Just fold it inside and sew it down. That is how we are going to fix all the foams inside, all the 4. If you have 5, you fix everything inside. So this is me trying to fix cover the second foam, and we are going to be leaving space of like half inch in between each foam. We are going to be leaving space of 5 inch in between each foam, and we'll sew down. Exactly what I'm doing in the video is what we'll do. So please don't rush this aspect. Take your time to do it and ensure that everything aligns. so I will sew it down. So this is me trying to sew it, you know. So I've done 2 and I'm showing you how it looks like. I will do the other 2 now and I will get back. So I realized that after doing everything, initially when I cut this measurement, I intend to make use of 5 foam, but unfortunately that's the only foam I have left. Hence I'm trimming off the excess. You know, I calculated the measurement for 5 foams. So after trimming off the excess, I didn't totally cut out everything. I'll leave small pieces. So I'll fold it in like this and I'll sew it down, you know. So now this is what we have. This is how it will look. It's very, very easy. After that, you just twist it together and attach it in any way you wish to attach it on your base. So I'll be putting gum. I'll be using my candle gum to just hold down the middle a bit, just for, you know, proper stay. Then I don't want to attach belts to this one. I will just look for a way to cut out the excess and close it. I will use my needle and thread to close it neatly. After closing it neatly, I will get a pieces of fabric and wrap it around it. Mind you, here I've not glued it down to the turban. I've not glued the spiral twist to the turban, you know. So I'm just fixing it here. You can also pull it out. It can be worn as 2 in 1, you know. Excuse me. This is me here trying to attach, put the glue so that it can stay. You know, I've removed it here so that you can see how it looks. So now I'm going to be getting the pieces of fabric to cover the stitches there. So that's how it is, and this is the outcome of our spiral turban. I hope you find this video useful. Please keep subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for the love and like. And this is our final look. Love you. Please expect more beautiful videos from me. Bye.